again. 251M error. Now Ryah has another cube name to memorize. She's worked hard on memorizing Moyu RS3M 2020.
It's been a journey.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah. That looks so sweet.
Alexa, play 2001: A Space Odyssey.
Here's 2001: A Space Odyssey theme song by Soundtrack Hit Lab on Amazon Music.
Oh my god. Let's not break your cube on the first day. Okay. Oh, how is it?
Let me do it this time.
What? Cube? Okay. Right, how is it, right?
It's honestly not as good as I thought it'd be.
Can I see?
I'm kidding.
Can I see her? Oh, you just said it's not as good as I thought it'd be. Yeah, we could add some. Don't have any on me. So how's the corner going?
It's adequate.
Try reverse corner. The other way. Oof. I told you should have got the MGC
By the way,
Elite.
you have
MGC
a
2
new
Elite.
notification.
Okay, I don't care.
Do you want to hear it?
No.
No. It's gonna be a shipment has arrived, and even if that shipment won't arrive, don't just. That shipment will be this.
Turn it off and record it again.
No, turn it off. We want to just get on with our lives.
Kidding.
Okay, well, there is Ryah's cube.
Okay,
Alright,
mix
you
that.
want to do speed song?
Mix it.
Niall, just turn off the video.
Actually, we'll film it separately. Bye.
Immediately.